Let's now talk about the cosine rule. You have to know a very important thing. Whenever I want to solve a problem in any non-right angle triangle, the first rule I will check if I can use the sine rule. If I can't use the sine rule, then I will be needing to use the cosine rule. The cosine rule, the first thing about the cosine rule, I need to label my angles. If this is capital A, then the opposite side to angle capital A is small a, and this is B, and this is C. The cosine rule says if I have this angle and I have this side and this side while A is unknown, then the cosine rule is A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times cosine the angle which is A. This is for finding an unknown side in the cosine rule. Now, if I have the cosine rule again, this is angle capital A, and this is side A, B, and C. And the case now that I do have all the sides, but the angle is unknown. Since the angle is unknown, I can use the following formula. I use cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2 times B times C. Let's see an example now. In this example, we also want to find the value of x in the following triangle. In this triangle, I have the x to be an unknown angle, and I have 3 given sides. Can I use the sine rule in this case? No, I can't use the sine rule, so I need to use the cosine rule in order to find the angle. First, I have to label my angle and my sides. I can label this angle as capital A, the opposite side as small a, and the other sides as B and C. In order to find the value of the unknown angle, I need to use the cosine rule. So I can use now cosine A equal to B squared, which is 13 squared, plus C squared, which is 17 squared, minus A squared, which is 14 squared, all of it over 2 times B times C. And in order for me to find the value of the angle, I need to find out cosine inverse for the answer. So A is equal to cosine inverse for all of this magnitude, which is 13 squared plus 17 squared minus 14 squared over 2 times 13 times 17, and I can use my graphical display calculator for now. You have to check that the graphical display calculator is in degree measures. We go to menu and run matrix, shift cosine, open a bracket and a fraction, 13 squared plus 17 squared minus 14 squared, all of it over 2 times 13 times 17. And we close the bracket. and we execute now. So we can find that angle A is equal to 53.6 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 53.6 degrees rounded to 3 significant figures.